Subscribe to PyPro Tricks for Python and competitive programming and Boostup Session for technical videos. So today we are going to extract or find the ith bit from a number. So you can say that we have to check whether it is 0 or 1. So let us consider a number called 13 is equal to x, and the binary representation of 13 is 1101, and the bit positions are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so how can we extract the ith bit? First of all, you need to watch the video in the description, which is about all of the bitwise operators. Now what we can do is, let us say we want to find out this 1th bit. We need another thing known as mask, which will store 1 on this bit and 0 everywhere else. And if we do, this was 13, this is mask. If we do an AND operation on this, what we get? 0, 0, 0, 0. So here we are getting 0. Okay. And let us say if we want to go for the second bit. Okay. For second bit, the number was this and the mask will be 0, 1, 0, 0. And if we perform the AND operation, it will be 0, 0, 1, 0. So this number can be clearly seen as greater than 0, right? This was for 1th bit. So here we are getting greater than 0, which means that this bit was a 1. And here it is coming equal to 0, which means this 1th bit was 0, right? So we will be using this concept. But now the question arises, how we get the mask? So as you might be knowing that if we shift 1 by I number of bits, what it will give us? Let us say I is equal to 2. So the left shift operator, what it does is add number of zeros, I number of zeros on the right side to the 1. And here we get, if we want to find out second bit, we shifted it by 2 digits and it gives us 100. That is the mask here, right? Same goes for I is equal to 1. 1th bit we want to find out. We will be shifting 1 by 1, which means it will give us 10. And we are doing 10 here, right? So let us just code it very fastly. Def extract ith bit from the number given and the value of I. Okay, the ith bit. So let us create a mask here. Mask is equal to 1 is shifted by I number of places, and then num will be the AND operation of num and the mask. And we are going to check. Now we are going to check if the number after doing the AND with the mask is greater than 0. If it is, then we are going to return 1 because the ith bit was 1. As in this case, you can see it was greater than 0. Else, what we have to do is return 0. Because in this case, it was 0, which was not greater than 0. So the ith bit was 0. Let us check it very fastly. Print extract ith bit. We are going to pass 13 and the position was 1 in the first case we took in the example and 2 in the second case. So we are getting first bit and the second bit, right? So let us execute it and you can see that first bit is 0 and the second bit is 1. Great. So this way you can extract the ith bit from a given number. Please subscribe to PyPro Tricks and Boostup Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.